Although the Bitcoin price has been trading sideways with a slight recovery and little volatility over the past week. Glassnode's new report shows that there is quite a bit of investors' interest in trading BTC futures markets and hodling their ATH bags. According to Glassnode, there is a little directional bias in the Bitcoin derivative market, suggesting that investors are trading cautiously despite the small upward price movement. However, as for Ethereum, investors are being more optimistic as withdrawals from exchange are relatively small compared to the increasing demand for the coin as the merge date approaches. Investors regains confidence after Luna's collapse. According to Glassnode's futures open interest BTC metric, it appears that investors are already willing to trade the derivatives market again, pushing aside the wariness built around the crypto market after the collapse of Terra's, Luna, and UST tokens, where billions of dollars were lost, and the mining capitulation in May and June. Futures trade volume appears to have stabilized in the post-lunar collapse era. Trade volume experiences a structural decline over the 20 months since the May 2021 sell-off, but appears to be re-establishing a floor at around 33 billion dollar. In addition, over the last year and a half, a structural change occurred in the futures markets. Although leverage remains high, the underlying spread is much more stable and lower than in early 2021, when Bitcoin was in the midst of a bull rally. Ethereum's open interest flips Bitcoins for the first time in history. At the moment and for the first time in history, the interest of investors in trading the Ethereum derivatives market is much higher than that of Bitcoin, reaching $6.6 billion in ETH versus $4.8 billion in BTC. Moreover, this indicator shows that ETH options open interest is and the verge of reaching its ETH mark registered in late November 2021, when the price of ETH reached $4,900. The Ethereum merge has strongly influenced the demand for ETH and the increase in its price as the vast majority of investors are putting bullish bets on prices ranging from $2,020 to $5,000. Once the merge is completed, Ethereum should have successful transitioned to proof of stake without affecting the information of the original proof of work chain, because those two chains would become part of the same ecosystem, hence the name. So, at this point, Ethereum fans can Regis is saying that their beloved coin is more in demand than Bitcoin, at least in the derivatives market. The flipping, though, will have to wait.